Hey, this is Hassan Mushtaq from the microcraft industry. Today I show you Napoleon two buckle shoes. These shoes make from cow-hide leather, thickness from 2.5 mm, and check the buckle quality. That's a pure copper. Sole thickness is 8.0 mm to 10.0 mm. Check the heel. Check our working skills. Check the swings. We make all type of historical shoes like medieval, Civil War, World War One, World War Two. All these type of historical shoes. If you want, we are also available. We also make on wholesale rates, and so place your order and now place your order and check our quality working skills. Thanks.